Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use circle to search feature. This is a Samsung's premium feature which I got in update. Means this requires some AI capability in hardware. So only some devices is capable enough to use these features. So this depends on device, which device has their feature. I will show how to use this feature. Right now I'm using mouse, so I can't show you with this navigation bar. You just have to press hold on this bar. Instead, what I can show is from assistant menu. Here also, this button does the same work of this. This line is there now, gesture button. Instead of this, I can do same work on this. Press and hold on this. See, now I got circle to search, which is, I think, part of Google only. This works with Google Assistant. What you have to do is you just have to circle on what you want to search. See, my wallpaper had leaf and it searched leaf. Means it gave me a details about leaf. Means I have marked leaf, right? So when I click completely on this, it took whole home screen and showed home screen images. Means whatever you mark, you will get. This is how you can use circle to search feature of made by Google, but I have got through update in Samsung phone. Thank you for watching, guys.